By the way, K1, I know you missed it. You just got here. I'm probably going to be streaming Wednesday night through Friday night, starting around 10 p.m. Central North American time. And you're drunk as shit. Great.
Word. Hey, that's my picture of grape drink I had.
Yeah, it is.
Todd.
Yeah.
That's grape drink.
Yeah.
It's good.
What else you got going on in your fridge there? See some salad thing?
Some Parmesan behind the grape drink.
What's that? What's that jug in the back? Is that milk?
Isn't that milk on the way back?
Is that milk? What? Okay, what's. Is that
Between
just,
the milk and the grape drink, I think is Parmesan. That's like salad.
Is that just like a super tall Parmesan right there?
Yeah, that's just like a. I can't think of what else would be.
That looks like that. That says
It's like
chips.
two things. Is that like two things stacked on top of each other?
I think it's just a super tall Parmesan.
Something.
Yeah. So what? What? That says chips right there.
It must be like, I don't know.
Like salad?
I don't put chips in the fucking fridge.
So what's that bottle right there, next to the milk?
I have no idea.
That. Huh? Do you remember what that was?
I have no idea.
Dude, you gotta know your fridge better.
It's just like a 2-year-old picture. I'm sorry.
Come on, dude. Okay, what was in this bag?
Are you talking to the shit on the left?
Yeah, this right there.
I mean, the shit on the left is like salad mix shit, I think.
All that liquid?
What liquid? What?
That. Do you see me? Here. Let me.
Oh, yeah, what is...
Yeah, dude, what is that?
That must be like leftover, like ribs or meat or something. That's like barbecue sauce or some shit.
Yeah?
Like just thrown in a Ziploc bag or something. I have no idea.
Yeah.
It's a bunch of beetles I jellified and kept in the fridge for a few years. It's my roach project.
I kind of like picking apart pictures like this.
Can't wait. Oh, look at that.
Oh, man.
Look at that Ford Escort.
So, okay, I got questions for you.
What up?
Okay. What? Hang on. What was going on here?
Backseat.
What was going on here?
Then what, the strip ripped off?
Yeah.
That just fell off.
So and you never put it back?
No, I just lost it.
Just fix it.
Yeah, just fix it. Color in black for me.
Yeah, that's a little better. Okay, so another question.
Word. Where'd I get those sick rims?
What's going on there?
Going on where?
You got a dent.
No, yeah, that's because a homeless man hit it.
Yeah?
I don't know. It's happened.
You remember? Remember that night? It's cold that day.
Shit, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fucking.
How many miles a gallon this thing get?
At the end, it's just, you know, like 10,000. Oh, I have no idea. It's been so long. I just forget that shit.
That is a beautiful car, man. My grandma used to have a gold one. It didn't have the sweet ass automatic seat belts though.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, it didn't have that. I'm jealous.
Pretty great.
Yep.
Had a skeleton on
Yeah.
on the rear view mirror.
Right. Oh, inside?
Yeah, on the inside.
Oh yeah, like dangling?
It dangling.
Dude. When'd you get so hard?
I don't know, man.
Jesus.
Imagine me pulling up,
Oh,
picking up chicks.
man. Think I can put it into motion? Let's see. Or some dirt color. Let's put some airflow.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Fucking airflow.
It's fucking beautiful.
Dude, that shit's... Look how fast that's fucking moving now.
Jesus.
Look how fast it's going. You ever seen it go that fast?
Oh yeah, man. What's your choice? The fuck is this shit I'm looking at? This is fucking. This is insane.
This will be the section from the stream that I post.
Yeah.
Yeah. How fast do you think you were going right here?
Probably 0.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Looks like you're moving.
No one is driving it.
It's hard to see past, the frozen windows. Never know, man. Why are you guys watching?
What's up with this?
Come on, guys. Go to sleep.
You guys ain't go to sleep. I'm gonna give this stream personally. You can go to 7 a.m. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna give this stream like 5 minutes.
Guys, I'm gonna end the stream right now. I'm done. We're going. I'll see you guys Wednesday night. Okay, Wednesday night.
You sound so sad.
Wednesday. I'll see you guys Wednesday night, 10 p.m. I'll put up a video. You'll see it. Yeah, we're ending, fan. You're just gonna have to. Just have to deal with it, buddy. Yeah, I'm stopping it.